Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine and safe. Today we are going to learn about the contribution of various cells for the healthy functioning of human body. Let's move towards the topic. So what is the contribution of various cells for the healthy functioning of human body? Each cell is complex structure that could survive and growth. So the cells in our body, however, work together with similar cells to form structure called tissues. The organelles each perform different functioning to keep the cell alive and healthy. So we know that the activities of an organism is the sum of function of all the cells in the organisms. In human being, various cells contribute for the healthy functioning of body. Let's move towards the topic in which we are going to learn about those things which are play important role for us. The first one, nerve tissue. And what is the nerve tissue? Nerve tissue carry message in different parts of a body. Due to these nerves, there is a coordination among different parts of a body. You are aware about the neuron. This is the diagram of a neuron in which dendrites, nucleus, and node. There are an axon also. You know that if you touch any kind of a thing, then the tips of your finger just receive a stimulus, and the stimulus will go to our brain. How it's possible? It's possible just because of nerve tissues, okay, because they carry the message, they carry the stimulus. So let's talk about muscular tissues. There are three types of muscles: skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscle. You're aware about the skeletal muscles. And what is the cardiac muscle? The heart muscles are called cardiac muscles. But the question is that there is muscles in the heart? So the answer of the question is yes, because the movement of heart means the heartbeat requires the area or the space. That's why there are some muscles. Okay, these muscles are called cardiac muscles. The muscle tissue perform vital role in the human body. Smooth muscles from the contractile portion of the walls of digestive tract and bladder of a human, and also the blood vessels. These are responsible for the movement of those materials which are present in these muscular organs. Okay, so these muscles are also attached with the skeleton, so responsible for the movement of a human body, just like walking, running, and jumping. Okay, second one, it is blood. Yes, blood is a liquid connective tissue. It's too much interesting that blood is a liquid connective tissue. So in the picture you can see a picture of an artery where you can see the white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. Okay, you are aware about the white BCs. White BCs stand for white blood cells. Okay, the white blood cells are very important for us because they prevent us from different types of disease. And what is the work of the platelets? Platelets are very important for us because if your finger is cut, so after some time there will be a layer of blood, and your blood is stopped. Okay, it's just because of platelets. And you are already about the function of the red blood cells. They carry oxygen and transfer the oxygen to hold the body of humans or animals. Remember one thing, human is also included in the animal category according to the scientists. So our skin play a vital role for us, because if there is no skin on our hand, so as a result you can see the different things. And what are these different things? They are arteries and veins. So what is the function of our skin? The function of our skin is to prevent the arteries and the veins. And what is the structure of our skin? There are pores, there are hair roots, and epidermis. The upper layer of our hand is called epidermis. Okay, after that you can see in the picture different veins and arteries. Okay, it means your skin is alive. Just remember one thing, that skin performs many important functions for the human body. It helps to maintain the body temperatures. Okay, and skin produce vitamin D when sun shines on it early in the morning, and you know vitamin D is very essential for the humans because it's necessary for our bones. It protects the body from the other effects. So the skin is also an organ of sensory. It is a sensory organ. So when anyone touch you or hurt you, you can feel it. Let's move towards the human bones. As you can see, bones are hard, very hard, and especially the skull is too much hard, which are made up of connective tissues. Yes, they are made up of connective tissues. Bones perform three important functions in human body. They give support to the soft part of the bodies. Without bones, the human will become a heap. Okay. Bones are responsible for the movement of a human beings. Bone also protect many organs, like skull protect the brains and different organisms. Then these are the contribution of the various cells for our healthy body. Let's move towards the second main topic. It is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Let me explain you one thing. There is a picture, general structure of a prokaryotic cell. So pro means old and karyon means nucleus. So as the name suggests, the history of the evolution of prokaryotic cells is at least 3.5 billion years old. But they are still important to us in many aspects, like they are used in industries. Okay, let's move towards the topic, and yes, what is the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? This is all about the eukaryotic cell. Cross section of an animal cell. You can see the cell membrane, vacuole, ER, Golgi body, cytoplasm, lysosome, ribosome. All of these are the things that we already know about that. So what does eu means? Eu means new, and karyon means nucleus. So these are the advanced type of the cells found in the plant, animals, and fungi. Eukaryotic cells have a well-defined nucleus and different organelles to perform different functions within the cell. Okay, so there are some differences between them. Size of a cell typically 0.2 till 3 UM. And what is eukaryotic size? 10 till 100 nanometers. Kind of a cell. In prokaryotic you can see the single cell, and in eukaryotic you can see the multicellular. Okay, so what about the cell wall? Cell wall present comprised around the prokaryotic, and in eukaryotic usually cell wall absent. If present, plant cells. Okay, presence of nucleus. Well-defined nucleus is absent in a prokaryote. You know that they are very small, so that's why nucleus is absent. So in a eukaryotic cell, the well-defined nucleus is present, enclosed within the nuclear membrane. So what is the shape of a DNA in a prokaryotic cell? Circular double-stranded DNA is present in a prokaryotic cell, and linear double-stranded DNA present in the eukaryotic cell. You are aware about the DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Just remember this.